Magandang araw mga teachers at parents! Last Sunday, sama-sama nating ipinagdiwang ang Father's Day at binigyang pugay natin ng lahat ng mga tatay, daddy, papa at father figures na gumagabay, nag-aaruga at nagsisilbing inspirasyon sa kanilang mga pamilya. Kapag pinag-uusapan ang pagpapalaki ng isang bata, madalas nating marinig kung gaano kahalaga ang papel ng mga magulang. Bagamat madalas na nabibigyang pansin ang mga ina, mahalagang kilalanin din natin ang mga ama na may natatangi at napakahalagang kontribusyon sa paghubog ng pagkatao, kumpiyansa at kinabukasan ng kanilang mga anak. Hindi lamang sa malalaking desisyon o espesyal na okasyon na susukat ang pagiging ama, maging sa simpleng pakikipaglaro, pakikinig, pagbabasa ng kwento o paggugol ng oras kasama ang kinalang anak. Fathers help create a strong foundation for a child's growth and development. So whether you're a father, a parent, a caregiver, a teacher, or someone who plays an important role in a child's life, this discussion is definitely for you. Kaya naman, handa na ba kayong makakuha ng makabuluhang kaalaman at practical tips sa mga tatay? To help us better understand the vital role of fathers in early childhood, we are joined today by an expert in child development. She completed her medical degree at the University of Santo Tomas, Faculty of Medicine and Surgery. She then pursued her pediatric residency training at the University of the Philippines, Philippine General Hospital. She had profound interest in people with special needs, so she took further training in developmental and behavioral pediatrics at the Medical City. She is now a full-fledged consultant in this particular field, and she serves families in Marikina, Rizal, and Quezon Province. More than her professional successes, she cherishes her role as a devoted wife and a loving mother to her 3 young children. At the heart of all she does is her family, whose love and happiness remain her greatest source of purpose and fulfillment. Please join me in welcoming Dr. Glenna Catarina A. Gray Bautista.
Nagpapasalamat ako doon sa opportunity na binigay niyo sa akin, no, para dito sa Father's Day special ng ECCD, no. So alam ko, no, napaka-espesyal ng araw na to kasi syempre yung mga tatay ang talagang isa sa mga key players, no, sa development ng mga bata. Oo, so kaya talagang importante na mabigyan natin sila ng recognition. Marami ng mga researches ang ginawa tungkol dyan. So, mahalaga talaga ang role ng mga tatay sa overall development ng isang bata. It is important to know that aside from being present, the fathers need to be loving and responsive, consistent and reliable, emotionally available, and of course, safe and supportive. So, mahalaga ito para sa mga batang 0 to 5 years old dahil sila ay nasa period of rapid brain development. So, ibig sabihin, yung mga experiences nila at saka yung mga interactions nila during this period will greatly affect who they become in the future. So, in terms of emotional development, no, una, importante ito para makadevelop ang bata ng secure attachment and sense of safety. They also build self-confidence and emotional resilience. No, isa pa, they learn to regulate emotions through responsive interactions and play activities. No, so nakita rin nila na mas mababa ang rates of emotional and behavioral problems in school kapag actively involved ang kanilang tatay sa kanilang paglaki. So overall, these children show better emotional well-being and coping skills. So in terms of social development naman, no, active and supportive fathers help build the child's social skills and peer relationships later on. No? So they show increased empathy and cooperation with their peers, and they have improved ability to manage conflicts. No? So madalas, sa isang pamilya, maliban sa mga kapatid at ibang mga bata, ang tatay ang kalaro ng mga bata, di ba? So, yung pagiging invested ng mga tatay sa play activities ng kanilang mga anak helps them practice turn-taking, self-control, and reading social cues. No, so with cognitive development naman, no, yung active participation ng mga tatay, no, it supports early language development and school readiness. So with more frequent and meaningful interactions, they introduce new vocabulary and experiences. So in total, they develop stronger language, reasoning, and academic skills. Ayun. Magandang tanong yan, no? Kasi karamihan ng mga tatay, lalo na sa kultura natin, 'di ba? Sila ang nagtatrabaho, no, para suportahan ang financial needs ng kanilang pamilya, no? So being an involved father does not necessarily mean na kailangan physically present ka most times of the day. So ang mahalaga, consistent and meaningful connection sa inyong mga anak. So kumbaga, make every interactions have a significant impact on the child's development. So here, no, magbibigay ako ng ibang mga tips, no, para doon sa mga tatay na merong lamang limitadong oras, no, kasi alam ko marami silang ibang ginagawang mga bagay, no. Okay, so una, magandang magkaroon ng daily ritual or routine, no. So for example, no, you can read a bedtime story, you can sing songs together, or you can talk about their day before sleeping or during dinner, no? Or pwede rin naman kung kaya ng inyong panahon, no, pwedeng kayo ang maghatid sa kanila sa school sa umaga, no? Pangalawa, no, it is important to be fully present during those small moments of interaction. So, isa pa, no, maaaring isama ninyo ang inyong mga anak sa inyong mga everyday na mga gawain, no? So, let us turn chores into bonding opportunities, no? So, magandang halimbawa dito, no? Pwede nyo silang isama, magdilig ng halaman, 'di ba? Pwede silang mag-fold ng mga damit pagka kayo ay mag-grocery, or kaya naman sa pag-prepare ng mga simple snacks, no? So, kumbaga, it's already hitting two birds with one stone, 'di ba? Nagawa mo na 'yung kailangan mong gawin, kasama mo pa 'yung anak mo, 'di ba? Ayun. So, pang-apat, no, dahil tayo ay nasa digital age, no, you can use this technology pag kayo ay wala sa bahay or malayo sa inyong mga anak. So, pwede kayong mag-video call or phone call, no, or pwede kayong mag-send ng pictures or short videos during the day, no. So, this helps maintain a sense of presence and connection kahit kayo ay physically absent. No? So, isa pang suggestion na pwede kong ibigay, no, ay makipaglaro kayo sa inyong mga anak, no, or gumawa kayo ng kanilang activities together, no, even for a few minutes every day, no. So, for example, no, you can blow and chase bubbles in the garden, pwede kayong mag-drawing or mag-color, or you can do pretend play activities together, no. So, remember, no, ang mga bata, no, they will not remember, no, kung gaano katagal kayo nakipaglaro sa kanila, no. Ang naaalala nila ay yung quality ng interactions na nagkaroon kayo. Okay, so another one is definitely, no, it's important to participate in caregiving, no. So sa pamilyang Pilipino, karaniwang mga nanay, no, ang primary caregivers ng mga bata. Pero mahalaga na may participation rin kayo sa pagpapalaki ng inyong mga anak, no? So this also helps build trust and strengthen attachment with the child, no? Isa pa, you celebrate small achievements, no? So let's notice and acknowledge good behavior, new words or skills learned, good effort and persistence, or kung meron silang something good na ginawa or acts of kindness, no? So simple statements like I'm proud of you for trying, or wow, ang galing-galing mo naman, no, can boost a child's self-confidence, no? At huli, no, importante na mag-dedicate kayo ng time, no, at least once a week to have a one-on-one time with your child, no? So halimbawa, no, you can walk around the neighborhood, have a trip to the park or eat ice cream together, or pwede rin naman, no, you can play the favorite game of your child, no? So this helps them feel valued and prioritized. At tandaan natin, no, the goal is not perfection, no? It's regular and meaningful connection always. Gusto ko silang batiin lahat ng Happy Father's Day. So, madalas ang role ninyo sa pamilya ay hindi gaanong nare-recognize, no? So, usually, kasi nakatuon tayo sa importansya ng mga nanay, no? Sa role nila sa pagpapalaki ng mga bata. Pero, nakita nga natin na napakahalaga din ng inyong active presence sa development ng mga bata, no? Especially during the early age, no? So, your love, your guidance, sacrifices, and unwavering support help shape the lives of children in countless ways, no? So nabanggit natin kanina 'yon, no? So even the small moments you share, like listening, playing, teaching, and simply being present, leave a lasting impact, no? So nagpapasalamat ako, no, sa inyong mga ginagawa sa pang-araw-araw, no? Kasi definitely, no, it shows your care, that you are strong and dedicated, no? So definitely, mahirap at nakakapagod mag-balance ng napakaraming roles, 'di ba? But despite that, you still show up for your children. And for that, no, lalo na today, no, na magse-celebrate tayo ng Father's Day, you deserve to be celebrated.
Thank you, Doc Glenna, for sharing your expertise and valuable insights with us today. Napakarami po naming natutunan tungkol sa mahalagang papel ng mga ama sa early childhood care and development. Minsan, it's the little things that matters the most. Ang oras na inilaan ninyo sa pakikinig, pakikipaglaro, paggabay at pagpapakita ng pagmamahal sa inyong mga anak. Every moment spent with a child helps shape their confidence, their well-being, and their future. Kaya, sa lahat ng mga ama at father figures na patuloy na nagsisilbing haligi ng tahanan, maraming salamat sa inyong pagmamahal, sakripisyo at dedikasyon. Mula sa ECCD Council, isang masaya at makabuluhang Father's Day sa inyong lahat. Hanggang sa muli, paalam!